What's up everybody? Daniel Priestley here, and today I'm gonna be doing Thomas and Friends Goofs in Tenders and Turntables. Springchat the Savage requested me to do this. Yeah, GWR Studios only found 7 goofs in this episode, but I might find a lot more. Let's start. So the episode only just started, and I already see like 4 goofs. First, Gordon's eyes are a bit wonky. His buffers are crooked. The back of Henry's eyes can be seen, and there seems to be a bit of daze on the roof of the sheds.
Henry and Gordon were lonely when Thomas left the yard to run his branch line. They missed him very much. They had more work to do and had to fetch their own coaches. They didn't like that. James grumbled too. We get no rest, we get no rest.
Now this is another goof. Look at Henry's small wheels. They're moving backwards, but his big wheels are moving forward.
Lazy and slack,
And the roof on the 2 carriages are a bit crooked. Okay, maybe they're not. I think this one has a bit of a crooked roof. And the carriage also wobbles.
Altogether, the engines were causing the...
There are 2 chips in the top and hat, and the screen is moving a bit.
A great deal of trouble.
Wait. I think I just saw something. Let me see. Notice the connection of the arms. They're not fully on his body.
The big stations at both ends of the line each have a turntable. The Fat Controller had made them so that the tender engines can be...
Look at the back of Top and Hat's car. There's blue paint missing.
Turned round, because it is dangerous.
There's really big gaps between the eyes and the face. Yep, that's 12 goofs.
For them to go fast back.
And the screen is very wobbling. Also in this scene, there's a gap between Thomas's eye and his face.
Turntables. They can go just as well.
And his eyes are very wonky.
Backwards as forwards.
There's a flickering light from the sun.
You would have thought that the Fat Controller had given him a tender just to show how important he was. You don't understand, little Thomas.
Gordon's bumpers are also crooked. Well, they have been crooked a lot throughout the season.
We tender engines have
And there's a divot on his eye.
a position to keep up. It
And he has crooked lamp irons.
doesn't matter where you go, but we are important. And for the Fat
And his eyes are pretty wonky.
Controller to make us shunt
I think I already count that one. I'm not sure.
coaches and go on.
Wait, let me think for the moment. So, 18, 19, 20. Let me have a look back and see if I...
To keep up. It doesn't matter where you go, but we are important. And for the Fat Controller to make us shunt trucks, fetch coaches...
okay, so yeah, I did found 21
dirty
goofs.
sidings, it's not the proper thing. Thomas chuckled.
Yeah, let me see.
Those dirty sidings, it's not the proper thing.
There's also gaps between the eye and the face. Did you see that?
It's not the proper thing.
Excuse me, I'm not going to get connected to Steam. Oh my god, where am I going?
Went off with Annie and
God, sorry guys, that was just a mistake. If you look at Gordon, then you can see that he jolts before he moves.
chuckled and went.
Look.
Thomas chuckled and went off with Annie and Clarabelle.
Yep, I think that's 23 goofs. The mouse is not acting good enough.
As he ran backwards to the turntable. The turntable was in a windy place close to...
Yeah, just wait a second, guys. The mouse is a bit broken. Alright, guys, I'm back. Basically, what happened is that I opened 60 seconds up. It's a game on Steam, so the mouse would just jitter in place. I still found 23 goofs. Yeah, and I already see a 24th one. Look up here. The track's just come to an end.
He put it out of balance and made it difficult to turn.
There's still a light flickering on his body.
He was blowing fiercely.
His eyes are a bit wonky. There's also a gap, and his buffers are still crooked.
His driver tried to make him stop in the right place, but Gordon wasn't trying. The fireman tried to turn the handle, but Gordon's weight and the strong wind prevented him.
The screen's only slightly moving in that scene.
Tender upsets the balance.
It's not this scene, this scene.
The strong wind prevented him. It's no good, they said at last. Your tender upsets the balance.
Once again, you can see a big gap between the eye and the face, and his buffers are still crooked.
If you were a nice tank engine, you'd be all right. Now you'll have to pull the next train backwards. Look, Coulson boys, there's a new tank.
There's an even bigger gap between the eye and the face. And once again, his eyes are a bit wonky.
Oh, it's only Gordon back.
And the screen's moving a bit.
Hello, Cole Thomas. Playing tank engines. Sensible engine.
His headlamp seems to be a bit damaged. And it might just be me, but his whistle looks a bit crooked.
And have a nice bunker. Gordon said nothing. Even James laughed when he saw him.
His brake coach, James's brake coach is backwards. Man, I just keep finding so many goofs.
Take care, hissed Gordon. You might stick too. No fear, chuckled James. I'm not so fat as you.
Oh, did you see that? Look at his dome. It has a bit of red blotches over it.
I'm not so fat as you.
And there's also 2 gaps between the eyes and the faces, and his eyes are wonky.
I mustn't stick. I'm not so fat as you.
And he has a crooked lamp iron, so that's already 40 goofs.
I mustn't stick, thought James. Stopped on just the right place to balance the table.
The screen's moving. He has gaps between his eye and the face again. His dome is scratched again. And look on his firebox. Oh, there's a scratch right there. But look, did you see that? Look, it's a crew member who just made the show. You can see his face and arm.
Gordon arrived in time to see everything.
Now, as you can see, James spins right round like a rocking baby. Spins right round like a record baby. James has a green face because he got a bit sick, I think, but it still looks to be a goof. Once again, crooked lamp irons. And there's a really big gap between the eyes and the faces.
Well, well, said Gordon. Are you playing roundabouts? Paul.
Look at the tracks. They come to an end with foam.
James, feeling quite giddy, rolled off to the shed without a word.
There's still gaps between the eyes and the face, and this looks very dirty.
That night, the 3 engines had an indignation meeting.
Oh! I forgot to show you that.
Paul. Well,
you can also see a studio member right here on this side of the firebox. Well, exact same side, but it might be a different person or the same. It just counts whatever. James jolts a bit when he gets back onto into the shed. Look. And the turntable sags upwards. And the screen is a bit moving. Is it me? A green dot on his nose.
That night, the 3 engines had an indignation meeting. It's shameful to treat tender engines like
Man, I just found too many goofs in the episode.
He's a tank engine. James spins round like a top, and everyone laughs at us. And to add to that,
Gordon's buffers are still wonky. Crooked, silly. James's eyes are also wonky. The screen just moved. And there's a big gap between the eye and the face. And the screen also moves here. And Gordon has a crooked lamp iron. right here.
Listen, said Gordon. He whispered something to the others.
There's also a gap between James's eye and his face, and he also has crooked lamp irons.
We'll do it tomorrow.
The screen moves a lot in this scene.
Silly.
Once again, James's eyes are wonky. And Gordon's buffers are crooked. Good. There's a gap between the eye and the face.
You're to go on.
And there's a bit of a gap between Henry's eye and the face. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty mind-blowing. Let's see if I just missed anything there.
Silly.
Let me see. Yep, Henry's eyes are also a bit wonky. Okay. Crooked lamp irons as well. Yeah, so that was Tom's Friends, Goofs, and Tenders and Turntables. I found 70 or 71 goofs. Whoa, that's too many. Yeah, so I'm gonna plan for the next Goof episode. You'll see in the description down below of this video. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!